Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. Well, and this is the OTOP 81, and that's for the week 21st February year 2022. Alright, so it's a new Monday again at 9 a.m. OTOP is right back here, and we're going to share with you what we're going to talk about this week on an important topic after the revision of what we covered in last week OTOP. Alright, if we look at the Friday closing, alright, on last Friday, and that was the date 18 February. Alright, the Dow Jones closed at a loss of 222 points, and Dow Jones for the whole of last week the market lost about 700 points on weekly basis, and the pressure of the bear market mainly came from the tension of the Ukrainian war. Alright, so despite on last week the Russian government has put back the troops, but the US government continues to add pressure on the media, saying that there could be attacked by the Russia, alright, in the coming days on the Ukraine, and continue to cause the market to have fear and tension. That is why the stock market generally has been moving down. And besides Dow Jones, S&P was also down, and Nasdaq closed at a loss of 168 points. Alright, and that was generally the sentiment of whole last week. But if you look at last week, when the stock markets were down, alright, and the crude oil prices actually still trade very firm, and the WTI crude prices here, alright, if you look at the price on Friday closing, it was 91.66, which is $91.66 per barrel. Alright, in the whole range of movement between the $91 to $95 last week. Alright, although there was a little bit on the price softening in the crude prices, but anytime when there's a war tension, the crude price may start to go up again. So while these crude prices, WTI crude, was trading a little bit softer, what happened last week, if you look carefully, gold prices have surged. Alright, and spot gold prices reached $1,900 per ounce, which was last seen sometime back. Later I'm going to check on when was the last time $1,900 was traded in the gold. Alright, the reason why the global funds were seeking gold as a safe haven, obviously, alright, in the encountering or facing fear and tension in the war. Alright, so by right we are looking at both crude oil prices and stock and spot gold prices to go up. So in case if the oil prices are holding at about $91, that will actually put more pressure, upward pressure on the spot gold prices. And so this week we are continuing to keep a very tight observation on spot gold prices, and I think you guessed it right. Yes, we are going to talk about something regarding gold this week which could pull in some quick profit for you. Alright, let's take a look at Dow Jones here first. Alright, Dow Jones, if we look at this last week, alright, market actually went a little bit on Monday and Tuesday before it came down on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Alright, this is a day chart. So Dow Jones itself, I think there should be some support in this region. Alright, on the downside anywhere about 33,500. Okay, Closing price on Friday was 34,079, so a little bit of bottom to go. Whether it will be supported and rebounds, well, let's watch the market. But when we take a look at the gold prices, as I promised you last, just a couple of minutes back, all right. Well, spot gold prices is here. All right, if we look at this, oh yes, the last time when the market was trading and sold $1,900 per ounce was sometimes in 2021 June. Well, that was last year June. All right. So this week, if you look at gold prices, I think basically, well, it could be a little bit topish at $1,920, but who knows if they really have more tension to come. I think after breaking 1920, spot gold prices could even go back up even higher at about 1950, okay, which is about $1,950 or $1,960. Well, so you guessed it right. Everything is about gold market this week, okay, for the week 31st February year 2022. All right, but a lot of people are not paying good attention at silver. All right, well, gold prices are going up. Of course, if you look at a lot of gold stock, well, which I have covered over last many weeks. All right, like Hong Kong stock 0347, like Hong Kong stocks again 3833. Okay, I think these are all the stocks that you should be looking at. I'm not going to talk about all this, but for this OTOP 81 for the week 21st February year 2022, I'm going to talk about silver, because if gold prices start to go up, well, eventually silver will start to follow, okay, and silver has not really seen a big surge, so it may be very good to keep up with silver, and that could actually secure a bigger profit for you. You got it now? All right, so after go back talking about silver, okay, let me quickly show you on the silver spot prices. Okay, look at the gold prices. Of course, you're convinced that this week the trend is up, so let's take a look at silver. All right, by looking at this, are you convinced? All right, number one, we are looking at all right, although you could say there's a resistance here in the current price of about $24 because of the EMA 200 line, but I would think the market could be hovering around this line for a while, but it will be behaving more on the firm side for two reasons. Number one is the war tension, as I just mentioned. Number two is because of the strong gold prices that could be pulling up silver. So silver definitely on the midterm, not only short term. In fact, we are looking for the next couple of weeks to months. All right, silver is going to be a good bet because well, you could still catch gold prices in time, but silver is definitely a good timing if you look at this. All right, on the weekly chart, and this is the first candle of turning up. All right, so this is silver. So if you're talking about silver, what is one of the most secure way, and I would say somehow could be the best way, but may not be the best, okay, to secure money on a short to mid-term investment. Let's take a look at this ETF called the Silver Trust in NYSE. All right, this is exactly what OTOP 81 is talking about on the morning of 9 a.m. 21st February year 2022. All right, Silver Trust is trading in NYSE, and here it comes, SLV. All right, the symbol is SLV for Silver Trust. If you look at this, all right, the market price pays exactly after silver. All right, and well, you can decide how many shares of this ETF that you want to put onto your portfolio. All right, if you look at this, market is trading about $22.14 US dollars per ounce on market close, all right, per unit on last Friday. So I would think anything about these same prices this week, it could be a good entry for you. All right, so this week OTOP 81, don't forget about SLV, which is a Silver Trust. Well, before we go, let me just quickly cover a short revision. Well, today we do it on the last part, which is what we covered on the last week, OTOP 80, and this is on the crude oil ETF called UCO. Okay,
just a quick one so you know what is going on here. Last week we were introducing a good entry if you want to come in at about $120. Alright, so the market low went to 114, bounced up, which I think if you are able to hold it, continue to hold this position because the oil price are still facing upward pressure. Alright, it may not have immediate escalation now, but I think it's a good hold. Alright, so OTOP 81, thank you for watching us, and keep track with us, observe us on every Monday morning. Like this video, please share with your friends, alright, and come back. And don't forget, it's 9 a.m. Hong Kong time on every Monday morning. See you.